Hi, it's Michelle of Modern and Minimalist, and today I'm going to show you how to fold a shirt the KonMari way. So let's get started. So first we're going to take a t-shirt, and I'm going to place it down with the back side facing me. And if you have a lot of printed shirts, I would suggest that you do it the other way around so that you know what's on the shirt. So we're going to use our palms and iron out the wrinkled areas. And this is called teate, which is applying hands in Japanese. Now, I know not everyone is going to take the time to really apply their hands, but we just want to show appreciation to our clothes for serving us every day. So then we're going to take one side of the shirt and we're going to line it up with the collars. So with this side, we line it up here. Then we take the sleeve. I'm just going to make sure that this is ironed out. Then we're going to take the sleeve, fold it like so. Then we're going to do the same to the other side, lining it up with the collars, making sure that we use our palms to iron out the wrinkles. Fold the sleeve like so, and then take the top side, bring it down, and you're going to leave about an inch at the bottom. And then we're going to fold in thirds. So 1 and 2. And then it stands like so. Then we can bring it back into a box or a drawer like so. Then I'm going to show you how to fold a long sleeve shirt. Basically the same rules apply, except we have a longer sleeve. So use our palms to iron out everything. Line up the collars, and this has actually a wide collar, so I'm just going to make it a little bit tighter so that it can fit into the drawer of the box. Then I take the sleeve and I bring it back this way, then back again and forward like that, bringing it down. It's kind of like origami. Then you're going to do the same to the other side. So we're going to bring it back like that, back again, and then forward like that. Then take the top part and we're going to leave about an inch at the bottom and then fold in thirds. So I think we have enough for just a couple there, like so, and it stands. And then you can bring it back into the box. And that's how you fold the KonMari way.